Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Accident Avoidance System using Arduino with CAN protocol implementation. So here we are using two sensors. Those are ultrasonic distance measurement sensor and one is speed sensor. Ultrasonic distance measurement sensor, it is connected with a trigger A1 echo A2 to the Arduino Uno R3, and speed sensor analog, it is connected to the Arduino A0 pin, and one 5 volts power supply module. 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and MCP 2515 CAN board, CAN controller board, it is connected to the SPI of 13, 12, 11, 10 pins, SCK, MOSI, MYSO and chip selector, CAN high low, and it is connected to the another Arduino board of CAN board, same power supply module, and GSM SIM 800L, and one engine. If the ultrasonic distance measurement will less distance, the speed automatically the motor speed will control, and if it is crosses the speed, it gives the alarm, and one 16 cross 2 LCD display. But you can use only one single display is enough for this project. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here I am using an adapter power source. Okay, so here bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So this is transmitter unit, consists of ultrasonic sensor and speed sensor, and here CAN module and 16 cross 2 LCD display, Arduino Uno R3 board. In the receiver module, it is connected with the GSM modem. So here you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, any SIM card you can use for SMS alert purpose. Okay, so here also bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So alarm, Arduino Uno R3. So this is GSM SIM 800L, 16 cross 2 LCD display, engine, alarm, and same power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, LED, 5 volts power supply module, and CAN module. CAN high, it is connected to the CAN high of another CAN board, and CAN low, it is connected to the another CAN low, white wire and black wire. So now I am giving the power supply, CAN protocol using GSM, receiver node, and this is transmitter node, D for distance, S for speed. Okay, so now I am decreasing. Okay, so this side decreasing and this side increment. Okay, if it is crosses 120 and above speed, then we will get the SMS alert to our mobile phone. So we will receive one SMS alert, overspeed detection. Yeah, overspeed detection, we got the SMS alert. Okay, please drive slow. Okay, so no vehicles in front, D for distance, so automatically the speed is also controlled. If the vehicle 50 centimeter below, it will say front vehicle. Okay, 50 centimeter below, front vehicle. If it is reaches to this 10 to 20 centimeter distance, then we will receive one SMS alert. After 5th time, we will receive one SMS alert. If it is reaches to the near, then the motor should be stops. After sending the SMS, it will stop the motor. Okay, motor is stopped. Okay, so in that we received one SMS alert near to the vehicle. Okay, the distance is 19 centimeter near for just for SMS alert purpose. So here we are using this SIM card. With the SIM card, it is sending the SMS alert to our mobile phone. Okay, so we can add temperature sensor in this project, or gas sensor. You can add LDR sensor onto this project also. Okay, D for distance, S for vehicle speed. So transmitter module, receiver module, and this is the transmitter module. So this is our block diagram. According to the block diagram we design this project.